Dropping the anchor. In this meditation, we will practice connecting to our breath. Please take a moment to find a comfortable position. If you are sitting, keep your back tall but relaxed. Gently close your eyes or rest your gaze on a spot on the floor in front of you. Notice the ground as it provides support beneath you. We can switch our attention now to notice the rise and fall of our chest as we breathe in and out. Some people may prefer to notice the feeling of inhaling and exhaling through our nostrils. Notice that you are breathing. Just let the breath breathe itself. There is no need to alter your breathing. Notice the air coming in, descending into our lungs, and then flowing back out the way it came in. Notice the rhythm that is always there, your rhythm. This is what we call dropping the anchor. It is normal that we may drift off thinking about something other than our breath. We may worry or plan or daydream. That is no problem. When you notice your mind has lost awareness of the breath, just come back. Drop your anchor once again. We can always begin again. If our body is like a boat, and the world is like the ocean all around us, then the breath is our anchor. No matter how stormy the seas, we are below the choppy waves when we drop the anchor back down. Calmness, stillness within. If the seas pull at you, drop in once again. Rest your attention on your breath. Just notice the rhythm that is always there. This breath is always with you. All seasons, all hours of the day and night. Feel your ability to stabilize yourself. You can be steady. It is within you. You may drop your anchor at any time, just noticing your breath, being aware of your breathing. Now, return your awareness to the room around you. Perhaps notice the temperature of the air around you, or if there is a breeze. Notice now any sounds as you come back to the room. Gently open your eyes. Thank yourself for the time you took for this practice today. Take note of how you feel now before re-entering your day, and know that you can always return to this practice at any time.